Hello, my friend. How are you doing today?
Good.
Good? Can I get a high five? Alright. I'm gonna present to you some stuff, okay? It's kind of fun, okay?
Yeah.
And all you're gonna have to do is pick one when I ask you to pick one.
Okay.
Got it?
Alright.
What is it?
You're about to find out, my friend. It's a surprise. It's a yummy surprise. The best types of surprises.
I hope it's yummy.
Yeah, me too. Alright.
Why is it on the floor though?
Pick one.
Oreo. I always pick this one first for some reason.
Good job. Thank you.
Oh, that. Oh,
How's that Oreo tasting?
good.
Pretty good? Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Have you had Oreos before?
Yeah.
Does it taste like an Oreo?
Yeah.
That's good. Right.
It kind of melted for a bit though. That's fine.
It melted a little bit.
Oh, it's frosty.
You ready?
Yes. 3, 2, 1.
Pick one.
Okay, melon again.
Good choice.
It's healthy. Oh. I really like it, but I don't like it with cheese on it.
You don't like it with what?
I don't like it with cheese on it.
Oh, really? Why not?
Because it really, I think it's like gross.
It's
Because
seeds.
I want to take off the seeds. But this one doesn't have any seeds.
Let me see. Go like this. Are you all done with that? Almost?
I'm still eating it.
Okay. I'll give you a couple seconds.
Ah.
There you go.
Gone.
Pick one.
I picked right again.
Ooh, alright.
Chocolate.
Chocolate, huh? Chocolate's always good.
Yeah.
Some chocolate.
I always eat chocolate. Or sometimes. How many snacks are there?
There's a lot of snacks, so you're gonna get hungry. I mean, you're gonna get full, huh?
Yeah. Did you see my cousin?
I didn't. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Pick one.
Chocolate again? Why is it chocolate again? Why do I pick bread so much?
Ooh,
Okay,
good choice.
let's try this bread. It tastes like not normal bread.
It tastes like what type of bread?
It tastes like It tastes like normal bread.
Okay. Do you like it though?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like normal. It's normal.
It's normal bread?
Yeah, it tastes like chicken a little bit more.
Like chicken?
Okay. 1, 3, 2, 1.
Pick one.
Okay, I picked chocolate twice.
There you go. Good job.
I'm gonna go somewhere else. I ate 2 pieces of chocolate.
How's that chocolate?
Good.
It's pretty
Good.
yummy?
It tastes the same as the other one.
It does?
Yeah.
It's probably because it's the same chocolate.
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you ready, my friend?
Yeah.
Is that chocolate all the way in your tummy?
Yeah.
Okay. Pick one.
Yes. Yes, that's my chocolate. Okay. Watermelon. Another
Nice
healthy,
choice.
a healthy choice again.
All right, that sounds good, huh?
With liquid bread. It's mixed with a bread.
The chocolate's mixed with bread now?
No. The watermelon is mixed with bread. There's only breadcrumbs in it. 3, 2, 1.
Pick one.
Okay, right.
Ooh.
No, I
Chose
suck
the
on-
candy, huh?
Yeah, this one that suck on. This is a candy cane, by the way.
It's part of a candy cane? Yeah. How did that one taste?
Good.
Pretty good?
Oh! I got some stuff.
Are you ready, my friend?
Wait, I need to read this.
Ready to eat some more? I got some delicious choices right here.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Pick one!
Okay. Okay, bread again.
Good choice. Alright.
How many are we doing? Until I eat all of them?
Let's see, until you're a little full, huh?
I'm not full yet.
You're not full yet? Okay, then we can keep going.
How many? I'm really close to being full, but I don't keep sure if I eat much. These are snacks.
Ready, my friend?
Good.
Alright. Pick one.
Oreo. Yes.
Nice choice. Alright.
Why do I always pick the yummy ones? Am I lucky?
Because you're a good chooser, that's why.
Because I do need me in mind all in my head.
Really?
Yeah.
You're silly.
I think this is the last one.
Almost. We're almost getting to the last one, alright?
When is the last one?
Are you getting a little full? Or not yet?
No.
Okay, good.
Never.
Never full, okay.
Because I just say Jack today. Jack in the Box. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Pick one.
Watermelon. Give me it.
Nice choice.
How many crumbs are on there? I got everything right with Miss Brittany.
And we are all done. Nice
Yay!
job. High five, my friend.